I recently went on a quest to make my own pottery, and it was awesome. There was this bowl that when it came out of the fire, it was looking good.
I am so excited that none of them are broken.
But then, no, dang it, it completely broke apart, and I'm pretty sad. So I'm gonna try to fix it using an ancient Japanese method called Kintsugi. It's this really neat technique that uses gold to repair broken pottery. Instead of trying to hide the flaws and cracks, the gold makes them stand out so beautifully. And what was once just broken becomes this entirely new special creation. So hopefully that's what's gonna happen to this bowl. And keyword here is hopefully, because I've never done this before, so let's see how it goes. The first step is to get some gold powder. All right, let's see. Oh, here's some pure 24 karat gold powder. How much is it? What? $1,754? Oh my goodness, that's wild. But I mean, it would look pretty dang good on this bowl. It would definitely increase its value by a lot, but that would be pretty crazy if I actually bought it. I didn't buy it. This is just an empty box. I'm sorry, I just could not justify that insane price tag. I wish I could. So instead, I'm gonna go with plan B, which is to go to the local art store and get some gold powder that only costs $20. Okay, now that I got my discount gold, it's time to get going. Actually, wait, I need glue as well. So the traditional Kintsugi method uses something called lacquer, which is a really strong adhesive, but it takes 2 months to completely harden. 2 months, like I don't have time for that, that's so long. The way my brain works is that if I start a project, I have to see it through all the way until it's finished. So if I did it this way, I would get nothing else done for 2 full months. I would just be anxiously waiting for it to dry, then the days would blur together, I would miss out on special family moments, I wouldn't be able to sleep, then I would develop unhealthy, destructive habits, and eventually just go totally insane. Thankfully though, none of that is gonna happen, because I'm gonna use this Gorilla Glue that takes like 1 day to dry. All right, it's time to get things going. Step 1 of the Kintsugi technique is to sand the edges of the broken pieces. You gotta be careful though, it's supposed to be a really light sanding, just enough to remove all the sharp edges. Again, make sure you go lightly because I did chip off a piece accidentally off this one. But what's nice about this kind of project is that it's already broken, so you can't really mess it up more. Okay, I think that should do. Next, it was time to pour out some of the glue. Sploosh, like that. Oh, whoa. Okay, and then now we mix in some of our gold powder. Wow, it's so shiny. Because I was just mesmerized by its shine, I definitely dumped in way too much. This is not the ideal ratio to follow, but oh well, I'll mix it around and just make it work. Whew, it's looking good. Honestly, to the regular average Joe, you could probably not tell the difference between this one and the $1,000 real gold one. So this is just as shiny and nice. Discount gold for the win. Finally, I could start building the puzzle that is my broken bowl. I started with the smallest piece and smeared on lots of the golden glue. Then I pressed them together, which did not go quite as planned. Oh, whoa. Whoa, oh my goodness. No. Dang it. Okay, this is, I gotta refigure something out here. And the solution is tape. This should help hold the broken pieces together while the glue dries. I definitely should have started the process with it, but I didn't. So here we are now. Finally, I could get into the flow of things, and it was smooth sailing. This process was honestly so satisfying, and it was really exciting to see my bowl slowly come back to life into one beautiful piece. This is a lot messier than I thought it would be, but that could also just be me, because I feel like no matter what project I do, it just becomes a mess and all over my hands and clothes. But at least it's pretty. I got that gold. I switched to using a paintbrush for the smaller cracks, and it worked really nicely. This has taken me longer than I thought it would. Like, you have to be so meticulous and careful on all the little small details, but I'm really excited with how it's looking. Let's just flash ahead and cut to... Would you look at that? It's dry already. Much better than me going insane. But, okay, it's cold out. Why am I doing this out here? I really enjoyed this process. It was relaxing, satisfying, and just the idea of it, of turning something broken beautiful, is, I love it. Whoa. There's a great metaphor for life in there. And there's this Kintsugi master who's been doing it for 45 years that said it much better than I could. He says that our broken parts can also be mended, so we should never give up on life. Try not to hide what you've gone through and your history, even if it was a big accident. You should embrace it, and you'll be reborn because of that accident. Hey, hello, yes, you. Thanks for watching this video. I'm trying to hit 300K subscribers before the end of the year, so if you want to help out, please hit that subscribe button, and thank you. Have a great day.